Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the Valorant DirectX Runtime error. Alright, first thing you need to do here is to update your system. So go ahead and go to your search bar and type in system updates. Alright, now once the system setup pops up, just go ahead and click on it and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you're going to want to click on the check for updates button right here. And if there are any available updates, just go ahead and install those. And once done, restart your computer, launch Valorant again and see if it helps. Now if that will work, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and type in DirectX. Alright, hit enter. Click on this one right here, which is from Microsoft itself. And it says DirectX and User Runtime Web Installer. Click on it. And there will be a big blue button right here. Just go ahead and click on it. Alright, and as you can see here, I have already downloaded this one. So I'm not going to do it again. So basically what we're going to do is once you have it downloaded, just go ahead and run the installer and follow the simple prompts. All right, and once you have it installed, again go ahead and restart your computer. Once done, launch the game and see if it helps. Now if that still won't work, go ahead and update your graphics card drivers. All right, in my case I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I'm going to go ahead and open up the NVIDIA app, or once called NVIDIA GeForce Experience. All right, if you have an Intel or AMD graphics card, just go ahead and look it up online on how to install your respective graphics card drivers. All right, going back to NVIDIA, I'm going to go ahead and go to the drivers tab right here. And as you can see here, I have already installed the latest drivers. If you already have installed the latest NVIDIA drivers and you're still facing the problem, just go ahead and take the time to reinstall it. All right, I know that it takes some time, but just patiently wait. And once you have reinstalled the graphics drivers, just go ahead and close this one. Again, restart your computer as it is pretty crucial. And after that, launch Valorant and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, what if that still won't work? The last solution here is to install the latest updates or the latest redistributables, or the ones called Visual C++. Now what we're going to do basically is just open up again our favorite browser and type in redistributables. All right, this one, click on it. And as you can see here, first link is from Microsoft itself again. Latest supported Visual C++ redistributable downloads, click on it. All right, once you're on the website, just go ahead and scroll down a bit. And as you can see here, there are 3 links right here, which is for ARM64, x86, and x64. So if you don't know which version to download, just go ahead and go to your search bar and type in the xdiag. All right, once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it and wait for it to load, as it may take some time to load. All right, now once it loads, you're going to want to look for in system, in the system tab. Go ahead and look for operating system. As you can see here, I am running Windows 10 Pro and 64-bit. If you can see 32-bit right here, or x86, that means you're going to want to download the x86 version. If you have x64 right here, or 64-bit, so we're going to download the x64 version. All right, just go ahead and click on it and there will be a download page. Just go ahead and save it. Again, just like the DirectX setup, just go ahead and follow the simple prompts on how to install it. Once done, restart your computer, launch Valorant again, and your problem is gone. And that is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.